In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to automatically remove background from images inside of Photoshop with just a few clicks. The first way to do this is by going to Window, press on Contextual taskbar. This bar will pop up and all you have to do next is clicking on Remove Background. This will take just a few seconds for Photoshop to do what needs to do to remove the background of this image. Alright, there you go. This is the first way to do it. There is another way to do the same thing. Basically select your image layer and then go to the Select menu. Click on Subject. And then click on this icon here that says Create Mask from Selection. All you have to do next is restore some of your image properties that got deleted with the background. To do that, click on Add to Mask and then adjust the size of your brush. And then simply drag above the areas that got deleted to restore them. You can then export your image as PNG, or you can add a new background to it. You can for example add the colored background. Click on this plus sign here to add a new layer. Drag it below your image layer, and then drag with your left mouse the gradient tool and choose the paint bucket tool. Change to whatever color you prefer, and then simply click anywhere in the background. That's it really. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.